Alrighty, got my range bag here. It's just one of them. Some throwback bag that I had laying around that I kind of turned into a range bag. Uh, this isn't even about this, but just to kind of show you, like, you always want to have IFAKs on everything. And there's my tourniquet, there's my IFAK, there's my shears. You know, I'll probably do a video on these guys later. Uh, those are pretty cool, those Walker razors, but not today. Today, we're looking at this. This is kind of like, I'm thinking about calling this one Why I Got Away from Gore-Tex. And these are Gore-Tex right here, so I'm sort of kind of full of crap just by even saying that. But uh, American Gore-Tex for sure. It has liners, it's thick, it's bulky, and also, if you're down south, it's hot. So what I did, I actually ponied up the dough, and I grabbed this guy right here, which I'll take it out and I'll show you. This is a general purpose pouch, like a saw pouch, basically. You can make a top and a bottom fit into one of these pouches, but if you're using issued Gore-Tex, it ain't gonna happen. All right, so here's the contents of that pouch. If you want to strike while the iron's hot right now, these Gore-Tex British Desert DPM pants, they have no liner, they fold up small, and they're cheap right now on the surplus market. Like, if this was the 90s, I'd tell you to buy Flectarn. You could buy pants and shirts for $2.50, $3 a piece. Look at them now. That came and went. So, if you're looking for some waterproof pants, these are the cheapest ones you're going to find. That's why they're in my pouch. I got the cheapest ones I could find. I do have American issue Gore-Tex pants, but they're way bulkier because of the liner and the stuff I talked about before. This was sort of an impulse buy. I like the camo for down here, and I got this at Bass Pro. I spent too much on it. Just gonna say. I'll show you another variant that you can get for cheaper that does the same thing that I accomplished with this. I saw this pattern and I said, I must have it, and I bought it, and then I got yelled at by my wife when I got home. But it was worth it. Alright, so if you want to go to the surplus route for these that fold up good, this is pretty much the military version that I'm talking about. If some of you guys can do something with that and find out what it is, I don't know, some SF dude gave me this in Afghanistan, and I don't know if they even sell these. I'm sure they do, but yeah, I'll show you some more about it here in a second. But yeah, I did this just to kind of oh my god, that's way too zoomed in. Just to show you that a military surplus example should exist. I mean, I have one, and this one's kind of nice because it does have these side pockets and stuff. So there are some parts that are a little fancier. The Bass Pro one I got feels a little better, but it doesn't have this lower arm elbow. It's like, looks like a double layer, or like a little thicker. I don't know. This one has its draw. Not gonna lie, but the Bass Pro one feels better. But this one's probably a lot cheaper if you can find it on eBay or something. But anyway, just thought I'd you know, try to be thorough on that. But anyway, just throwing out a concept of stashable, packable rain gear that you can have on the outside of your pack, which is where you want it. You know, your IFAK, your rain gear, all that stuff you need to get to right now, because, you know, you don't have time to mess around. When a torrential downpour happens, you don't want to be digging through your pack for that folded up Gore-Tex jacket that's just right underneath 5 other things. You want it like and within arm's reach that you can put on immediately. And that's where these things shine right here. I'd say long term, if you were going to live in constant rain, the Gore-Tex probably is the better jacket. I got a bunch of those. I could do a video on those things all day long. I got the pants too, tons of them. But yeah, for your bug out applications and being on the move and the humps and ruck marches and stuff, this is it. Maybe a little of both. Have your bug in and your bug out stuff. Who knows?